Once you have set up and connected to the GPT-3 API, the next step is to train and fine-tune the model to perform the tasks you want your chatbot to do. This is an important step as it will determine the performance of your chatbot and its ability to understand and respond to user requests. The first step is to provide the model with specific examples of the tasks you want it to perform. This can be done by sending requests to the GPT-3 API with the appropriate input text and receiving output text in response. The input text should be formatted in a way that the API can understand and process it, and the output text should be the expected response from the chatbot. Next, you will train the model on these examples by sending multiple requests to the API with different input text and fine-tuning the model based on the output. This process will help the model understand the context and the specific use case of your chatbot. It's important to note that the more examples you provide, the better the model will perform. Therefore, having a good amount of data is crucial in order to fine-tune the model and improve its performance. Additionally, it's important to note that the performance of the model can be improved by fine-tuning it with a variety of examples, and not just one specific use case. Fine-tuning the model can be an iterative process, and you may need to make multiple adjustments before you achieve the desired level of performance. Once you are satisfied with the performance of the model, you can move on to the next step of integrating it with a calendar platform. By providing the model with specific examples of the tasks you want it to perform, training it on these examples and fine-tuning it, you will be able to improve the performance of your chatbot and ensure that it can understand and respond to user requests. The importance of having a good amount of data is crucial in order to fine-tune the model and improve its performance. It's also important to note that fine-tuning the model can be time-consuming and requires some knowledge of machine learning and natural language processing, NLP. In order to fine-tune the model effectively, you should have a good understanding of the data, the specific use case, and the desired output. To improve the performance of the model, it's also important to consider the quality of the data. The data should be diverse, accurate, and relevant to the specific use case of the chatbot. Additionally, it's important to consider the data format, and make sure that it is in a format that the model can understand. In addition to fine-tuning the model with examples, it's also important to monitor the performance of the model after it has been deployed. This can be done by tracking the chatbot's performance and analyzing the data to identify any limitations or improvements that can be made. It's also important to note that the model's performance may degrade over time, due to changes in the data distribution, and it may require retraining. This can be done by fine-tuning the model again with new examples, to ensure that it continues to perform well. In summary, training and fine-tuning the model is a crucial step in building a GPT-3-based meeting scheduler chatbot. By providing the model with specific examples of the tasks you want it to perform, training it on these examples and fine-tuning it, you will be able to improve the performance of your chatbot and ensure that it can understand and respond to user requests. The importance of having a good amount of data is crucial in order to fine-tune the model and improve its performance.